Hello and welcome to another edition of ProtoMet Tries, and in today's video I'm going to be trying Cheetos Simply Naked Flamin' Hot Crunchy. From what I understand, this is basically just Cheetos Flamin' Hot minus the dyes used for the coloring. So they won't be a vibrant red, they will just look like corn puffs that are naked. I'm not even sure I can show this on YouTube. Does this violate their terms of service? Anyway, let's give these a shot. I like Cheetos. I like Cheetos Flamin' Hot. And I am curious to see how these taste in comparison. They smell like Cheetos. And if you look in the bag, it does look a bit odd. I almost feel like this is a completely different snack. Almost like these may be a bit thicker than Cheetos I'm used to. But maybe the orange/red dyes used in the flavoring powder have a slimming effect. Or I'm just looking at some particularly large cheese curls. Anyway, let's see how this tastes. Well, I can absolutely say that the Cheetos taste is there, as is the spiciness of the Flamin' Hot. On this one in particular, I'm not sure if you can see, but there are like little flecks of heat seasoning. So while this is bereft of dyes, I assume that the little flecks of the little spots on this are what the heat spices look like, which is on their own. They tend to get disguised in with the red coloring. And these are delicious. I do think that the lack of dyes changes the taste just slightly, but it might just be that my eyes are seeing these colors and applying a sort of taste sensor. Like, I'm sure if I were to have these and a bag of regular Cheetos Flamin' Hot right in front of me, blindfold me, you fed me one, I would just assume that they were the same, is what I'm going to assume. I can't really test that. This isn't a science channel. This is mostly a food channel, despite my best efforts. Oh, who am I kidding? This is fun. I probably should have looked to see what the price was, because if these are... Because I actually kind of hope that these are cheaper than regular Flaming Hot. Because, you know, they're not adding in the dyes. They're removing the dyes, so you would assume that it would be cheaper, unless the process of removing the dyes is more expensive than keeping them in, unless it's cheaper to add the dyes than to not add the dyes. I don't know. I never really look at the prices. I just grab most of the time. And I just generally assume that they're roughly the same price as, you know, the regular flavors. But these are fantastic. Absolutely check these out. It's a long road it's been since my first time trying Flaming Hot. In fact, I'm actually going to include the very first Flaming Hot video down in the corner. It changed my life in a mild way. So yeah, give these a shot. They're pretty damn good. And nice and spicy too. It's that good blend of flavor and heat that Flamin' Hot is known for. So yeah, until next time, I'm ProtoMet. See ya.